In this demo, I'm going to show you how to create an account in your Zerion wallet. First, we're going to create a new account in our Zerion wallet so we have more than one account. Remember, each individual account is also its own wallet. First, I'm going to click the Zerion logo in my browser. Then I'm going to click on Settings. Next, I'll select Manage Wallets. Here I see I can create a new wallet, import a wallet to Zerion, or connect a ledger. Then I'm going to click on Wallet Group 1. I can actually rename this to SheFi Demo Wallets. From here, I'm going to select Add a New Wallet. Then I have to enter my password. Then it's going to show me my active wallet that's already added and inactive wallets. Click the Show button to see what wallets you can import. These are wallets that are also attached to your secret phrase that you can add to your Zerion. All you have to do is click the check mark on the right. Then hit Continue. And now I've added another account to my wallet. If I want to switch between wallet accounts, I'll select the down arrow next to the string of letters and numbers or my public address to click to the one I want to use next. And that is how you add additional wallet accounts or addresses to your Zerion.